In iOS 18, Apple launched Apple Intelligence, which integrated an AI-powered feature for summarizing notifications. When you receive a lot of notifications from one app, the feature summarizes the content of all notifications in one card that appears on the lock screen. You can dismiss the stack after you've read the summary, or tap on it to check out individual notifications. However, the feature isn't always accurate. Occasionally, it leads to hilarious outcomes, and at times, it fails to correctly summarize the content of notifications, resulting in visible inaccuracies. If you want to turn them off or customize them, GadInsider's got you a guide on how to turn off or customize AI-powered notification summaries. On your iPhone or iPad, launch Settings, click on Notifications, and tap on the Summarize Notifications tab. There are two options. You can turn off AI-powered notification summaries for all apps by toggling the Summarize Notifications option at the top, or you can turn off notifications on a per-app basis. For your Mac, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner and go to System Settings and click on Notifications. Click the Summarize Notifications tab and turn it off. Similar to the iPhone or iPad settings option, you can turn off notification summaries for select apps. There is no way to disable notification summaries for a specific app category such as news, productivity, utility, shopping, travel, or finance. Apple said that it would issue a software update to better indicate that notification summaries are generated by AI and might have some errors.